Today we are diving into Readdy AI. Are you tired of the endless cycle of web development? Sketching wireframes, fighting with messy code, and spending weeks of launching a simple website? Well, stop coding, start talking. Readdy AI, the groundbreaking AI website builder. Imagine turning your ideas in your head into a full functionality, pixel perfect website by just chatting. Let's go in. So first you go on Readdy.ai. After signing up and creating your first project, you come to this chat box here. If you scroll down a bit, you see some templates here, like you can do a tech product landing page or any e-commerce pages, some Christmas decor stores, and so much more. Let's hop right into it. We want to create a landing page for a dog walking service in New York. It should include a hero section, a pricing table with 3 tiers, and a contact form with a picture of a golden retriever. Let's try our best here. Send. Readdy is now thinking about it, analyzing the prompt. In the meantime, you have some overview videos here, how to use Readdy, but we will come to that in a minute. On the right, we also see Readdy is creating files. It looks like he's creating a hero page, a pricing page. It took only a minute. And as you can see, it's fantastic. He's listing us what he has done, a hero section, pricing table, contact form, footer. He also added bonus features like a AI assistant. It's SEO optimized, mobile responsive, form integration, and so much more. Let's look at the page now. Let's click view pricing. Wonderful. That's even better than I thought it would be. It's hilarious. Let's click on get started. It's our golden retriever. We have a formula. We can enter our name, email, dog's name. We can select a preferred service. We can enter additional information and we can book our first walk. That's amazing. The footer looks also very nice. We can also adjust things here, like let's use the selector. Let's go here, make the button red, hit enter. Readdy is analyzing the prompt, he's modifying the file, and as we can see, he delivered. The button is red, very easy, very nice. We can do a ton of things here. We can also export this to Figma, to MasterGo. We can look at the code here. We can try the responsiveness here. As you can see, wonderful, it's working. Just out of the box, we had to do nothing here. Very easy. We can also add some integrations like Shopify, Supabase for a database, Stripe for online payments, and we can also add the Readdy agent here. So if we click on talk with us, we have a chatbot here. I want to book an appointment, and as you can see, the chatbot is already working here. What type of dog walking service do you like to book? Basic, premium, or group adventure? It's a full functionality website, easy to use, easy to publish. Just click on the button here, publish. Here you are at the settings of the page, at the settings for Readdy chatbot. So he understood our prompt exactly. That's fine. Language setting is English. We can also add FAQs, but that's fine. We can now set up our appointment calendar here. That's crazy what Readdy delivers here. And now we want to publish the website. You need a domain for it. If you have a domain, you can click yes, or you don't have one, click next. My dog service in New York.com. Click next. Readdy is offering us to buy the domain. We see the available. We can buy it now and then publish the website. Very easy in just simple steps. Great. Another example, we want a portfolio website of a freelance UI UX designer. We want a required section about me with a professional photo. And we want a contact form with a call to action like start your project today. Let's hit enter. As you can see, Readdy delivered. We are Sarah Chan, UI UX designer. Let's work together. We have a formula, we have a price range here, we have a timeline, we can select a project type. It's so easy by just chatting. A full portfolio website for me. We can adjust things here like we mentioned before with the selector, like this one. Make the title my workflow. And seconds later, we have our updated website with our text here. We had to do nothing in coding, just by chatting. Easy. So if you liked Readdy AI, click the link in the description to visit the website. See you in the next one.